In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use speech-to-speech in ElevenLabs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, you'll need to log into your ElevenLabs account. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar menu. There you'll find the option labeled Speech-to-Speech right next to the standard text-to-speech option. Just click on that, and you're on your way. Now that you've selected speech-to-speech, the next step is to provide your audio. You have two options here. The first option is to upload an existing audio file from your computer. This could be a recording you made earlier or something you want to transform. Just simply click the Upload button and choose the file you want to work with. The second option is even more interactive. You can record your voice directly. If you choose this route, just click on the Record Audio button. This will activate your microphone, allowing you to speak directly into your device. Take a moment to record your message, and once you're happy with it, stop the recording. It's super simple. Once you've uploaded your audio or recorded your voice, the next step is to choose an AI voice. ElevenLabs offers a range of character models to select from, such as Charlotte, Will, and more. Browse through the available options and pick the voice that resonates best with what you want. It could be a friendly tone, an authoritative voice, or something else entirely. The choice is yours. Each voice has its own unique style, so listen closely to find the perfect fit. After selecting the AI voice, it's time to generate your transformed audio. Just click the Generate button, and here's where the magic happens. The system will start analyzing your speech patterns and tone, capturing the nuances of your original recording. This is a crucial step. It ensures that your words are delivered authentically in the new AI voice you've selected. Now just sit back for a moment while the system processes your audio. Once it's done, you'll receive the output of your original words delivered perfectly in that new AI voice. It's an impressive and seamless transition. You'll notice that a download option becomes available after the generation is complete. Click on that, and you'll be able to download your newly created audio file. You can use this for various purposes, whether it's for a video, a podcast, or just something fun to share. The possibilities are endless. So to recap, we logged into ElevenLabs and selected the speech-to-speech option. We either uploaded an audio file or recorded directly through the microphone. We browsed through the available AI voices and chose the one we liked best. Finally, we generated the new audio and downloaded it for use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use speech-to-speech in ElevenLabs. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Your support